welcome back to my channel Programming with D. Myself Hariraj Malu, and today we will study about global and local variables. So what is global and local variables? Global variables are the variables which can be used globally and in whole program. So and the local variables, for definition, we can say that local variables are the variables which can only be used inside a function, not out of the program. So first let's take the examples and move on our file which we made. So I have to write here some code like a is equals to 10. So it is a global variable. It can be used in any function, in anything in the program. And if we do like this, like def test and b is equals to 10. So we have defined it here. It is a variable, and if we move out of the function and say that print b, so there will be an error, like as you can see here, b is not defined, it is showing. So this was, I was saying that you cannot use local variables out of a function, and you can use print b here because it is inside the function. So let me show you, like here you can see b is not defined. The error is coming because the Python executes whole program first, and then if any error is there, it will not run the above things. So that's why here error is coming. So this was all I wanted to share in this video. Till the next video, goodbye.